You may not notice it before, but will you agree if I say that our till death do us part now has started with a simple hi and hello yesterday?
The strength in your eyes, the color them wonderful, stop me and steal my breath. And arrows from mountains burst through the sky, never revealing their depth. And tell me that we belong together.
Kapag nandiyan ang pagmamahal, walang makakagiba sa inyo. Pero ibig sabihin, ang pagmamahal, hindi lamang pampisikal. Hindi lamang sa estado ng buhay. Kundi yung idea ng pagmamahal, yung bang sa kabila ng kahinaan, kasalanan mo, namamahal nyo ang bawat isa.
And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love's suicide. I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life.
Dayan, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Gilbert na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakalob sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Yes, Father.
Nakalang ka bang balikating sa piling niya ang buhay ng may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Tell me that we belong together.
Ito na yung araw na pinakaihintay namin. Dati, inaas mo ako, bakit ako nag-girlfriend? Ito yung reason. Siyempre, nag-girlfriend ako para iharap sa altar at ipakilala sa buong mundo na ikaw yung mapapangasawa ko.
Tuned in, turned on, remember the things that you said. And I'll be
Bago ako manligaw, is tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, deserving ba ako? Kasi kung ikukumpara sa'yo, you are close to perfection. At ako naman ay scratch paper pa lang. I told myself na ayusin ko yung mga desisyon ko sa buhay. Sabi ko pa noon, magpapaalam muna ako kay Tito or kay Papa Ronald na bago ako manligaw. Yun nga, ginawa ko naman. Nagpaalam ako and sinabi niya na it's up to you na daw.
I felt that you are becoming so serious about us. Until that night, nag-ask ka na kay Papa kung pwede mo na ba akong ligawan. Though alam ko naman na papayag si Papa kahit hindi ka niya gusto for me. Siyempre, joke lang. You became so consistent in pursuing me and my family. You're always present in every occasion and also present as a kuya of the family when challenges came. Now that we are becoming one, I only have one ultimate vow to you, and that promise is a promise of seeking God in our union for the rest of my life. Life is full of tests. I will eventually fail you as a wife, but keeping my promise would always mean of seeking joy and wisdom in becoming your supportive wife, your suitable helper, and your prayerful woman. jewelry symbolize how much I love you. Puso na nagsisimbolo ng pagmamahalan natin sa isa't isa. Kwintas na sumisimbolo ng pagmamahal kong walang hanggan. Mahal kita.
To my husband, just like this gift, I know you will always guide me to the steps the Lord will lead. I pray that as we take this new path, we continue to run the race faithfully together. Love.
Thank you. Thank you for being understanding and for trusting me in the things that I can do. Ayun lang, I love you and I will always care for you and Mama. Thank you.
Pa, thank you kasi kundi dahil sa inyo, hindi naman ako lalaking mabuting tao. Kumbaga, thank you sa guidance. Siyempre, thankful ako kay Lord na binibigyan tayo ng kalakasan. Tsaka kayo, sana bigyan pa niya kayo ng kalakasan. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal ko pa kayo. Alam ko hindi ako naging perfect boyfriend, but I promise to be the best husband and future daddy. Hindi ko kayo pababayaan. I promise to spend the rest of my life loving you deeply. Bes, mahal na mahal kita. Maraming salamat sa unconditional love na ibinibigay mo araw-araw. I thank the Lord for giving me such a beautiful and loving wife. Love you.
I love you, Bes. Sisikapin kong maging isang mabuting, mapag-unawa, mapagpatawad, masipag at maalagang may bahay para sa iyo at sa magiging pamilya natin.